I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how do you get magnesium step by step. Start by checking common food sources and your symptoms, then consider testing and dosing. Focus on incorporating magnesium-rich foods, understanding supplement types, and watching interactions with medications. I will guide you through simple food swaps, basic supplement choices, and when to seek a lab test or clinician advice for safe replenishment. Start by adding magnesium-rich foods to your meals 3 to 4 times weekly and vary sources for better absorption. Combine leafy greens with nuts and seeds in salads, add whole grains to breakfasts, and use legumes as a side dish. Also consider fortified foods if you struggle to obtain enough from diet alone. Track what you eat for 2 weeks to estimate your typical magnesium intake and gaps. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like for more practical health tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is a great way to stay hydrated while tracking your magnesium-rich meals and workouts, making it easier to remind yourself to drink water regularly. It fits most cup holders and keeps drinks cold, which is handy when prepping meals. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If dietary changes are insufficient, choose a supplement form that suits you and start with a modest dose, like 100 mg to 200 mg, then adjust. Magnesium glycinate is gentler on the stomach, while citrate can support bowel regularity. Take supplements with meals, split larger doses, and avoid taking magnesium with high-dose calcium at the same time to optimize absorption and reduce side effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.